In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock your Weebly domain. If you've been trying to unlock your domain but aren't sure where to begin, stick around because I'll guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you gain confidence in managing your website's domain settings. So let's get started. First things first, head over to Weebly's official website by typing in weebly.com into your web browser. This takes you to the free website builder homepage. It's always a good starting point for anything related to managing your site. Now, once you're on the homepage, locate the login button at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you'll have the option to log in using different methods. Next, instead of entering your credentials directly on the Weebly page, click on Login with Square. This is because Weebly has been integrated with Square, enhancing functionality and bringing additional features to users. Logging in with Square is straightforward and seamless. After you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to your Weebly dashboard. Here, you'll want to click on Overview. This section gives you a snapshot of your site's status and performance. It's where you'll get an insight into management activities related to your site. Now it's time to go to the domain settings. Either find this option in the overview section or navigate directly if you're familiar with the layout. Domains are a crucial aspect of your website, acting as its address on the web. Managing your domain settings is essential for website administration, particularly if you plan on integrating your site with other services or platforms. Once you're in the domain section, look for the domains option and click on it. This is where you can manage all your domain settings effectively, including registration and unlocking. Click on Set up your domain, which is a critical step in this process. This option might take you into a more detailed page about your domain status and options. After clicking Set up your domain, you should be able to follow any prompts or instructions specific to your domain settings. These will guide you through the specifics of unlocking your domain, ensuring that your domain management is seamless and secure. Remember, careful handling of domain settings is vital for the security and functionality of your website. Also, if you encounter any issues or need more detailed assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. They are there to help and can offer guidance tailored to your specific situation. And that's it. You've now unlocked your Weebly domain, setting the stage for further customization and management. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.